What's up, guys? AK Crazy Russian with DCCTRAIN LLC multi-chain store in Cincinnati, Ohio. Brian's here and he will help us to review that engine. What's up, my man?
What's going on, guys? We got here today scale trains, GE C39-8 phase 3 in Conrail. Just to go over a little bit of this engine. Overall, pretty nice. Details pretty much spot on. If you like the unique look of the C39, a lot of guys do. What we'll do here is we'll listen to the startup sequence of it by pushing F8 on your controller. You can see how it goes through the startup. Excellent sound. You hear the engine going.
ESU lock sound.
ESU lock sound.
Version 4.
Ooh, version 4. So we got the engine started up, put the headlight on. And one thing when I was playing around with it I noticed is when you start notching it up, you can actually, when it starts to move, you can hear the independent brake release, which I think is pretty neat. So it's got that classic GE chug. And we'll bring it to a stop. Hear the independent brake apply. Again, change directions. Do the exact same thing. Come back at us. Hear the independent brake release, which I think is pretty cool because that's pretty, you're getting into like real prototypical style and sound and operations, which I think sound has really improved a lot. Overall, very nice model. Really can't go wrong with it. Scale Trains did another excellent job. Pretty hot engine. Just so anybody's curious, the releasing an independent brake is standard on all ESU sound.
Thanks, Brian, my man. Great model. Really like it. Alright, guys. Have fun season with the hobby. Have a good one. Bye.